Hello everybody, this is Baji from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to work with electrical range oven. I get called from my customer, one of the big element not working. It doesn't heat up. If you open door from the oven all the way bottom, you can see there's a coil. That element is bake element. There's another element on the top, they call broil element. Couple stoves, everything just working fine, only the bake element not working. So in this video we will troubleshoot and we will try to fix in a less time consumer without pulling it from the station where it is right now. And it doesn't matter what model your electrical oven, my troubleshoot method will work same on all the stoves. So now let's start. First thing, we're gonna turn the main power off. You need to go to your breaker panel or behind the oven to disconnect your main power. So in my case, I have a labeled already, it says range. I'm gonna turn off. Once you close, there's a hole for lock. You can lock it, whatever the possible safety, you can follow the process. You go back to the oven, make sure there's no power. You can check with the meter, whatever the way you can do. Now let's open door, and first thing we always do, you can physically check. Most of the chance the element is burned. If it's not burn or something, then we have a different process. Now in my case, I'm really lucky. I can see here it's already burned. So now I will just get the new one exactly same. I just swap it out without pulling my oven from the station. Just I need to remove those two screws. One screw this side, I have one other side. If both screws are loose right now, I can take it by my hand. But if you need to take it off, it's 1/4 inch screws. So you just simply pull it out. There's a quick disconnect behind this bars. And same thing other side. When you try to take it off, make sure you don't lose that wire, because if it stay behind, then you have to pull your oven all the way out to deal with that wire. Now I can see the wire a little bit sticking out. I will use my needle nose plier, then I will pull it out. So now my wires are completely out. I will get a new one and change it. But just in case if your element is not burned, how you can check? You can use any meter. I'm going to use Fluke clamp on meter. I'm going to set an ohm position. You can use multimeter. Multimeter always work perfect. So I set my meter on ohm position, and I will connect my both leads on the both end of my element. It's pretty simple. I'm just trying to act like how you can test. This one is broken, but I have a new one already. If I connect both leads to the element on both sides, you will hear a beep, or on the meter, if you have a multimeter, there is no option for beep. You will see some kind of ohm. You should read something. If you see OL, open link or something, then that means your element no good. In this case, I have a new one is good, but if I connect my both leads to my old one, it doesn't work. It doesn't beep. It shows me OL like open. As we can physically see, it have a burn already, it's broken. So same thing, if your element is not burned and but shows OL, that means your element not good. Now we got new one already, and we will simply replace. In the same manner, we have a take it off. Before you install, just make sure you take the old one to get the new one. You have to be coiled exactly. You cannot make adjustment because they break really easy. I'm just quick connect those wire. I have a disconnect earlier. It's really easy. Just make sure those wires are really tight. If they're not tight, you can use a needle nose plier or anything to tight those wire connectors. Once we're done, we're gonna put those wires through the holes the way we get out, and we're gonna put those two screw back. That's all we have to do, and our element is ready to use. And then we will follow the next step, and we will test if it's working perfect. Okay, now I have installed my bake element already. And now we're gonna go outside to the breaker panel. We have to turn main power on to this oven, the one we have turned off in the first place. Now we come back again at the same spot. There's a range. We're gonna turn the breaker on position. Now we should get power to the oven. come here, we got power already. Don't let me do anything, I believe. Yeah, so I have to set clock, but I'm just gonna click and I press on bake and have to set some kind of temperature. To save our time, I'm going to heat up a little bit more. So basically, I'm not familiar with this oven, so it's already oven preheating. So we will wait for a couple seconds. I will just skip some of the time, like it's gonna take like 2-3 minutes till we get ready. So as you can see, it's really red hot. It's red. So now our bake element is working fine. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.